Hey everybody, it's Pete the Pool Guy here. I'm going to educate you a little bit on pool cracks. Okay, we specialize in pool cracks and we've done a good number of them over the 30 years that we've been in business. Right now, this customer has a crack that ran from the top of his deck and it actually runs all the way down into the pool. This is what he saw right here, okay? And it has just started leaking to the point where at first it wasn't leaking. He saw the crack, but now it's starting to leak profusely and causing problems. So that's when they called us. I implore you, if you do have a crack, to get it taken care of. They don't go away. They just get worse, and then they cause foundation problems. So if you do have a crack in your pool, give us a call and we'll assess the urgency of getting it repaired and help you out in that way. So what we're going to end up doing here is we've traced the crack starting up here, and we followed it all the way down now that the pool's drained, right? He only noticed up to here, okay? Now when we've got it drained, you can follow this line and you can see it's kind of a greenish line that comes this way, but it also continues further, okay? It also comes down, and now we found it right here, and it's going down further into the pool that he did not see and I did not see in the beginning. It was a little bit of I guess dirt or whatever, that wasn't really letting it show like it is now when it's dry. Okay, so we'll take this all the way down, and how we repair this is we cut on both sides of this crack, and we use these. It's called torque lock staples. Okay, this is the best way that we've found to repair these cracks. We've used carbon fiber staples over the years that worked okay, but now this is what we found to be the best way to repair these, is to put these staples. Essentially what we do is there's a little tab here, it's a post that we drill after we cut this out. We drill on both sides of the crack and we insert this staple into there, and then this other piece gets put on this side, and then we go ahead and lock it in as we turn. Oops. It gets locked in on both sides of this crack, and it basically keeps the crack from separating further, okay? We use long, bigger ones and short ones depending on the length of the crack and how wide the crack is. And so we'll do this every foot all along the crack, all down to that whole bottom, okay? And then once we have that in place, we put hydraulic cement all throughout the crack to basically make this solid, and then we go ahead and put a layer of hydraulic cement over top of the whole thing, and then we do a layer of his surface here over top of that. Now this pool really has 3 or 4 years of surface left on it, so he didn't want to resurface this giant pool right now. But in the future it will get fully resurfaced, and then you will not notice this. We've done pools in the past where when we're doing a renovation, the customer sees, hey, we're gonna resurface the pool, but can you also take care of these cracks? Of course. And then when we're done with it, you do not know that there was a crack there at all. So it's the best way that we've found to repair these with good efficiency and longevity for crack repair. I've never had anybody call us back to say the cracks have come back, but this is not a 100% guarantee, okay? We can do everything possible in order to keep it from spreading as best as we can, but Mother Nature and the Florida sand, and we've got a lot of shifting and movement, hydraulic movement in the earth here, that anything's possible. So but this is what we do, and we'll show you how the process is if you continue watching the video. Thank you so much.